Hey folks, it's dinner time. Let's do CSS Battle.dev quickly. Oh wow, this is practically yesterday's, yeah. This is one of those cases where I want to reuse the code. Is that a good idea? I don't know, maybe not. Let's find out. Let's drop that code in. We get that. How close is it? It's awful close. We've got blah. What do we got? So that conic gradient might be at 0. If we put it at 0, oh boy. So here's where that's a bad idea. All of that is a bad idea. That repurposed code is just not going to be my friend, unfortunately. So let's do the pieces and the parts and figure out what the pieces and the parts are. All right. We had the margins, but we can do it again. 3, 4, 42, 2, 3, 2. All right. So first thing we want, I think we want a conic gradient that is tall and narrow and offset from the y-axis. So I want to do this L. Yeah, that L is what I want to do. And so that is going to be what? Transparent. 25%. It's going to be offset from the side like 20 pixels and offset from the top like 40 pixels. It's going to have a width of maybe 100 pixels and a height of 200 pixels, let's say, or actually, to be safe, 140 pixels. So transparent, and then the yellow, 0, and I'm going to set no repeat so we can see that L, or the reverse L. Yeah, no, it's an L. Okay, so we want that to be offset a little bit more. Background position, 30, great. We need at values, at 10 pixels, comma, 10, 30, 30, 30 is correct. And right now we've got it at 50% because of the height. And what I actually want it to do is be a solid number. How about 100, 110, 20? Okay, and then the height needs to be taller. Yes, 5, 6, great. And the width needs to be wider, 110, 115. And then when I let that repeat, that'll give us the overlying structure. And then we have some choices. My impulse is another conic gradient. Conic gradient. This one is a little square, so it's like at, well, we can maybe measure it. We can go from here, which is 63-ish, 64, is it 65? To here, which is 105, so is it 40? So at 40 pixels, 40 pixels. And it's transparent. 75% around to get, and then the upper corner is that little square. Now we can't see anything. Why? Because we're missing a comma. That's one thing. And we need to offset it. So 10 pixels. And then vertically is the most important one. 50 pixels. There it is. 50, 60, 70, 80. And then over 25. So there he is. There's our first one. We give this a width of 115, and we've got it. And we submit, and we're done. And it's dinner time, like I said. Oh, the world is continuing to be troublesome, and I'm very lucky. Very got things good for me, but the world is certainly suffering. Be nice. Be nice to yourself. Be nice to others. It's a minify to replace, and we submit for a final score. And that's certainly one way to do it. This is all squares, rectangles. Very straightforward to create an element, and do this with box shadows. Create a single element and then shrink it using scale, using all kinds of different things. Lots of ways to do this. I hope you're having a good day, and go make a webpage.